going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing awesome today. I'm going to teach you how to play Knockin' on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan, also covered by the guys from GNR, in under 3 minutes, because it really is not going to take that long. You only need to know 4 chords, and it's repetitive, but it's awesome. So let's get right to it. I'm going to start with a G major with no capo, to D, D major, and then to A minor, and then G, D major, and now C major. And it does that twice for the verse with this kind of strumming. Ready? Mama, D major, take this badge off of A minor, G, to D major, C. I'll do it again with the strumming. Ready? The first one of all these, I do a big strum out. I'll show you that in a second. It goes into the C, and when it goes into the chorus, it just cycles it back over again. Knock, knock, that's G major. Knocking on heaven's, D major. Heaven's door, A minor. G major, D major, C major, and it just keeps going in that pattern over and over and over again. Now, one of the times on that A minor, I went pretty cool. So you do the G to the D major and A minor, and if you just take this finger off the A minor, it sounds like that, really nice. And then you just put it back on, so you're playing a regular A minor shape, and then back off twice, like that. Down, up, down, up, down, down, or whatever you want. So listen. Super cool way. That adds a little spice to an otherwise repetitive song, but it's great for singing, great for strumming, and it's super fun to play. All right, let me know what you think, and if anybody else has taken more than 3 minutes, they need to be reported, because this is an easy song to play, and it's fun. So give it a shot. Let me know some more songs that you want to hear in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for another lesson. See ya.